Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the GGPoker app on your desktop or laptop. In this case I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So you want to go to Google on your internet browser and start typing in GGPoker. The first links will be sponsored advertisements. I'd skip these and go to the official first organic link, this ggpoker.co.uk website link. Click that. And then in the top right of this page, you can see the download button. Click that and it should start downloading the GGPoker app on Google Chrome. You can check if it's working correctly if you hit this button right here, the downloader, and you'll see GGPoker installer has actually downloaded. So you want to go to this button, the Show in Finder, and it's going to open up your downloads folder on your computer. Double tap the installer. Give it a little second, select English, install, let it run. And then from there, you can go into the application. And it's actually going to start downloading for you right now. You can see this bar that's going in the bottom of the screen, the bottom of this window. Just let it run, let it install, and I'll be back in a little second. Okay guys, so GGPoker has now officially downloaded and installed on this Windows device. You just want to give it a little second to actually run, and we'll be able to start using the app very, very soon. Okay everyone, so the GGPoker app has now officially downloaded and installed on this device. Once you've let it run, once you've let it install, it'll bring you to this page right here, this app. And from there, you can basically press these two red buttons on the right hand side, either to sign up. I'll show you what the sign up looks like. Essentially, if you don't have an account, you'd hit sign up and you'll have to start creating your account, entering all of your details, even upload some official documentation to actually prove that you are who you say you are, and you can start playing legally on the site. From there, you can start, if you're from the UK, hit that. I'll take you to the next step. And from there, you can basically type in your email address, your password, and actually create your GG Pass ID. However, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to exit out of there. If you wanted to log in, hit the login button and type in your email and password, and that'll be you signed in to GGPoker and start playing. Okay guys, well this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.